Although most people have only heard of the honeybee, thousands of other species have unique identifying qualities. With every species more curious than the next, there's more to bees than you've ever heard about. About a third of the food we eat, including fruits, vegetables, and coffee, is pollinated by bees. There are over 20,000 documented bee species. Out of these, the western honeybee is the most populous, and only 500 to 600 species are stingless. Only 4,000 species of bees are native to North America. Of these, there are 46 native bumblebee species. The largest bee species is Wallace's giant bee, which can grow to 1.54 inches, 3.9 centimeters, long and has a wingspan of 2.5 inches, 6.3 centimeters. Scientists believed them to be extinct until they were rediscovered in 1981 in Indonesia. On the contrary, the smallest bee is the Perdita minima, which is less than 0.08 inches, 2 millimeters, long. That's smaller than the eye of the largest bee. If bees went extinct, we would lose 90% of apples, onions, blueberries, cucumbers, and carrots. Only social bees live in hives, while solitary bees nest underground or in cavities in wood. About 90% of the bee species in North America are solitary. The waggle dance is the official name for the dance honeybees perform to communicate. Surprisingly, bees have tongues, which they use to retrieve nectar from flowers. They are also known to use their tongues to groom themselves and other bees. The main threat to bees is loss of habitat. The primary factors for this are human development, climate change, and industrial agriculture. The population of a honeybee hive ranges between 20,000 and 60,000 bees. Hive populations are known to fluctuate throughout the year depending on the season and available food. During its lifetime, a honeybee will visit about 20,000 flowers. Only a few hundred bees in a honeybee hive are male drones. The rest are female workers that pollinate. Throughout spring and summer, worker bees literally work themselves until they drop. Their lifespan is only 4 to 6 weeks. When you see a swarm of bees, it is a natural result of an overcrowded hive. Swarms are more common in the spring when the hive's population is growing in anticipation of the summer months. The only continent bees aren't found on is Antarctica. This is, of course, because of the harsh cold weather conditions and the lack of plants or fresh water. Bees evolved from stinging wasps around 65 million years ago, around the same time dinosaurs were starting to go extinct.